Good morning, girls. Welcome to the session of business communication. In the last session, we have discussed unit number 3, in which we started with the body language. Yes, in the unit 3, we have to learn about the aspects related to the job interview. I gave you the techniques which are useful for the job interview. Then after, specifically we have to understand about the body language, what role body language plays in case of interview, what are the things that we keep in our mind while appearing for ourselves in the interview. So let us explore the idea of body language. This I think we have discussed, but let us revise quickly. Body language during interview plays a very important role in making or breaking your career. The expression action speaks louder than words holds very true, especially during job interviews. The way you present yourself leaves a significant impact on the interviews. Everything, right from your outfit to your hairstyle, accessories, and all other things you might be carrying, are judged. From the moment you enter through the company's front door, you are perceived with different opinions by different people. Now, below are some tips that we have to understand. First is eye contact. Body language during interview should have to make eye contact with the other person. You all know the importance of maintaining eye contact. One of the most vital aspects of your body language during job interview, making and maintaining eye contact is must. It not only shows you are actually paying attention to your interviewer, but also suggests your engagement with the situation. However, that doesn't mean you pointlessly keep staring at your own interviewer, but you may try to hold eye contact for a couple of seconds at a time. If you have to face more than one interviewer at once, address to the person who asked the question, but be sure to make eye contact with each one of them. Yes, you have to maintain eye contact with each one of the interviewer with whom you are interacting, and you cannot stare someone constantly. Whosoever is asking the question, you can have eye contact with that person. Sit up straight. Again, sitting up straight in your chair gives an automatic signal of confidence and reliability. It is recommended not to slouch forward or backward. मैं तुमने कहूँ तो you need to sit straight. You cannot lean, slouch forward or little backward, as such a position suggests you have very casual and you are not bothering about the attitude. If you are unable to sit straight, try pulling up yourself from the head. Push down on your shoulders and maintain a steady balance of your upper body while sitting should be your body language during interview. Carry up Carry the upright straight posture from the moment you arrive in the reception area. When you are asked a question, lean forward a bit to show your curiosity and engagement. Hand gestures. How to show your hand gestures. Job interview, body language suggests making use of your hands by way of subtle gestures. Hand movements like touching your fingertips, clasping palms, and moving your fingers as you speak are signs of honesty and openness. તમારા હાથના હાવભાવ, તમારી આંગળીઓની મૂવમેન્ટ and hand movements like touching your fingertips. તો આ બધું શું દર્શાવે છે? These are different signs of honesty and your openness. You can also try resting your hands in your lap at a time. Clenching fists and waving hands while speaking opines or giving opinions. You are nervous and unpredictable. Biting your nails during the interview is a strict no-no as it will make you seem nervous and distracting at the same time. You cannot bite your nails, right? To maintain your body language. You cannot. Now see, here I have given the percentages like 67%, 26%, 21%, 39%. Right? So 69% of hiring managers cite lack of eye contact of point applicants in an interview. 21% weak handshake, 39% fails to smile. 67% લોકો નોર્મલ એવા હોય છે કે જેઓ આઈ કોન્ટેક્ટ મેન્ટેન નથી કરી શકતા. 26% એવા લોકો હોય છે કે જે લોકો માથું ખંજવાળતા હોય છે. વીક હેન્ડશેકથી પણ 21% લોકો એ પ્રકારના જેસ્ચર્સવાળા હોય છે કે જેઓ વીક હેન્ડશેક કરતા હોય છે અને 39% કદાચ એવા લોકો હોય છે કે જે they are failed to smile. This kind of ratio I have taken, like you come to know that these are the things which are really important in your job interview. Eye contact, not to scramble your head. You cannot do weak handshake, and you can't forget to keep yourself or keep a smile on your face. Next is avoid touching your face. તમે તમારા મોઢાને વારંવાર હાથ ન અડાડો. Candidates who touch their face frequently are considered to be dishonest and untrustworthy. Touching the face in the form of playing with one's hair or rubbing nose is not considered as a good body language technique. Similarly, rubbing your head or neck makes the other person think of you being bored or not interested. Crossed arms and legs make you look unapproachable and defensive. Rubbing your head એટલે માથું ખંજવાળું. neck makes and કે મોઢાની ઉપર હાથ રાખો છો કે જેને કારણે તમે વિચારતા હો છો, તમે નીરસ હો છો એવું દેખાય છે. ક્રોસ્ડ આર્મ્સ ઓર લેગ્સ મે લુક અનઅપ્રોચેબલ ઓર ડિફેન્સિવ, કે જે બિલકુલ યોગ્ય લાગતું નથી. ઇન્સ્ટેડ કીપિંગ યોર શોલ્ડર રિલેક્સ્ડ એન્ડ ફેસિંગ ધ ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅર ટુ શો યોર ઇન્વોલ્વમેન્ટ ઇન ધ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ, કે તમે રસ ધરાવો છો. Smile is a very important factor which gives you confidence, which gives you proper body, especially facial expressions. Whenever or wherever appropriate, improve body language during interview and do smile so that there is positivity in and around the interview room. Smiling once at a time also show you are comfortable with the flow of the interview. Maintain a fairly balanced smile, neither too timid to seem timid, or too exaggerative to seem ridiculous. વધારે પડતું શરમાળપણું કે ન હસવાથી તમે શરમાળ દેખાવ છો એવું તમને લાગે છે. That doesn't sound balancing, look balancing. અને વધારે પડતું હસવાથી પણ તમે મૂર્ખ દેખાવો છો. એક્ઝાઝરેશન એટલે વધારે પડતું. It is explicitly understood that you should listen attentively and try not to interrupt the interviewer. If possible, laugh when the interviewer does while saying something catchy or offbeat. That would mean you are all ears and attentive to what is being said. આ બધા જ પ્રકારની પરિસ્થિતિઓ તમને શીખવાડી દે છે, અથવા તો તમે આ બધી જ પરિસ્થિતિઓ માટે તૈયાર થઈ જાઓ છો કે ટ્રાય નોટ ટુ ઇન્ટરપ્ટ યોર ઇન્ટરવ્યુઅર. If possible, laugh when the interviewer does while saying something catchy. And you should sound attentive so that you are observed, like what is being said can be adopted by your mind. Stay at one spot, એક જ જગ્યાએ રહ્યો, વારંવાર હલનચલન ન કરો, મૂવમેન્ટ વધારે પડતી ન કરો. Precisely from your fingertip movements to your leg movements, try and keep yourself at one spot. Otherwise, if you keep fidgeting, moving yourself, it may be understood as you are getting bored or impatient with the interview process. કે તમને આ ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ પ્રોસેસમાં કંટાળો આવે છે એવું તમારા હાવભાવો છે એ દેખાડી શકશે. This way, you will not only have your posture straight, but your focus would be on the interviewer and not elsewhere. It will help you to see more focused and interested in the session. Mirror image. Last but not the least, mirror image of your interviewer. It is one of the best job interview body language tips to do as the other person does. Well, but that does not mean you purposely imitate your HR manager and have the entire process backfired. Match with their positive body language so as to quickly get in the good books to the interviewer. However, do so carefully so that you are not too bold to show or showing that you are trying to copy them. Nod if they nod. માથું હલાવો છો તમે એ સામે, એ તમને માથું અથવા તો પૂછે છે તો તમે માથું હલાવીને જવાબ આપો છો. or subtly એટલે કે સૂક્ષ્મ રીતે shift posture. You change posture as they do to share a common body language. The most important thing is to be respectful and professional personal attitude towards the interviewer. Right from the initial hello handshake to the graceful goodbye. Show dignity towards the other person to earn brownie points. Most important is to be respectful, to be honest, to be showing reverence and look with the professional attitude towards the interviewer. Now, what are the quick points that you are supposed to, or quick pointers that you will remember? Sit straight and tight in your chair. Have and maintain positive, passive eye contact. Occasionally use hand gestures to express yourself. Improvise on your posture. No slouching. Nod your head and as you are listening. Follow above simple yet effective job interview tips to have that perfect job you will have always dream of or dreamed of. This is how you can prepare yourself for the interview. So I hope that body language regarding job interview must be sorted now after listening these many aspects by me. Now the third and the last question which is remaining in the interview process, how important an attitude is for the job interview. This is regarding the attitude that person has to bring in himself or herself for the job interview. The earlier was regarding the body language. Sometimes the first impression is the most important part of a job interview. Starting a job interview with the wrong demeanor can sabotage the process before it begins. Exhibiting a positive, confident attitude can be just as important and perhaps more important than work experience. સૌથી પહેલું પગથિયું એ થાય છે કે તમે જ્યારે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપવા જાઓ છો એ if you want to start any kind of job, then yes, you have to cross yourself from the interview, otherwise you will lose your image. પોઝિટિવ કોન્ફિડન્ટ એટીટ્યૂડથી તમે તમારું વ્યક્તિત્વ સારું બતાવી શકો છો અને વર્ક એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરતાં માણસ કેટલો બધો લાઈવ છે એ અગત્યનું છે. તો એટીટ્યૂડ આપણે જોબ ઇન્ટરવ્યુમાં કેવો રાખવો જોઈએ, તો કે સૌથી પહેલી ક્વોલિટી શું છે તો કોન્ફિડન્સ. Stepping into an interview can offer endanger nervousness and a bit of intimidation. This can set the stage for a poor interview. Walk into your interview feeling confident and upbeat. A recruiter is more likely to hire a candidate who begins the interview with a strong handshake and warm smile than one who forgets due to nervousness. If you are nervous, take a few slow, deep breaths before the interview and try to relax. What is required to bring confidence in yourself? Keep yourself away from the nervousness. And if you enter yourself with a nervousness, that will endanger not only your nervousness but also your personality. This can set the stage for the poor interview. આ બધી વસ્તુઓ નબળા ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ આપનાર વ્યક્તિ તરીકે ઓળખાય છે. કોન્ફિડન્ટ અને અપબીટ રહેવું જરૂરી છે. પ્રોપર હેન્ડશેક, warm smile, and one who forgets due to nervousness. If you are nervous, then take a few slow, deep breaths before you go for the interview. Yes, girls. Then the openness is there, relaxing attitude is there, overcoming challenges is there, and then these few questions that they will ask to you. We'll continue this thing in the next session. I'm ending the session here. We'll continue with the attitude in the next week. Thank you very much and have a nice day.